Breaking crypto news out of Hong Kong, and a court declares crypto as property in a case involving defunct Gatecoin. The ruling would give Hong Kong liquidators more clarity on how to treat crypto assets caught up in winding down procedures. Law firm Hogan Lovellis has stated. This is coming from CoinDesk. Breaking news. It was originally put out there yesterday, updated a little bit today. We're going to dive into some of the specifics and what this means for crypto. Of course, every single place in the world figuring out how they want to identify what is crypto, right? What classification do you want to give it? And some countries further along than others, of course. But let's dive into this. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm here every single day for you. That would mean the world to me. Let's rock and roll. Here we go. All right, so a Hong Kong court, let me get out of that guy right there. A Hong Kong court has recognized crypto as property capable of being held on trust in a case involving shuttered crypto exchange Gatecoin. This is according to a court document reviewed by CoinDesk. Now, this was first reported on Wednesday. Justice Linda Chan, who presided over the case, said Hong Kong, in line with other common law jurisdiction, defines property broadly intended to have a wide meaning. Now, there have been similar rulings in mainland China, while the U.S. IRS treats crypto as property for tax purposes right now as well. A government-funded law commission in the UK found crypto could be classified as a new type of property under existing laws in England and Wales. Back in 2019, Hong Kong-based crypto exchange Gatecoin announced it would shut down and start liquidation following an attempt to recover disputed funds from a former payment service provider. Now, what happened in that instance was liquidators sought directions from the court on whether the crypto held by Gatecoin should be treated as property held on trust if no trust existed. The digital assets should be available to a general body of creditors. Now, Hong Kong has been pushing for clearer regulations in the crypto sector for a very long time. Brokerage firm Bernstein said earlier this year that Hong Kong's approach to regulating crypto could attract capital to the jurisdiction at a time of global regulatory uncertainty. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out from here. And we will be tracking this for sure as we move along throughout this week and into next week. Any updates, we'll have them for you right here on the channel. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by this YouTube channel. Really, really grateful for you. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe down below. We'll catch you on the other side in the next one. Peace.